This is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMover. And here we have another example where we use Caspio's really good connectivity to come up with weather data. And when I talk about weather data, this is astonishing. You cannot believe the detail these people have. It's a company called Visual Crossing, and they have a free application that connects with Caspio, or they can do a premium application, which is like $150 a month, which gives you just amazing amount of weather data. And so let's get into it, okay? So it's a worldwide weather data forecasting and historical tracking. We can connect to Caspio to do analysis and charts, and it updates real time. So as you leave the application running, the weather will be updated in real time. So it's really, really great, okay? So the thing here is the detail and extent and precision of the weather data, okay? So it's by latitude and longitude, so you can get hyperlocal forecasts and historical data, which is really important, when you've got multiple locations close together. You can get sub-hourly data, so what's the weather going to be like between noon and 3 o'clock this afternoon? And we can set up in Caspio, we can set up weather alerts. And so from an address here, and latitude and longitude, it'll give us a forecast and much, much more, okay? So here's a use case in agriculture, which we've done before, okay? So it tracks precipitation, sunlight, soil temperature. This is a growth days formula. And we take the source data from Visual Crossing and use Caspio's reporting and calculations to come up with much more exact information. So for example, you can take soil temperature, soil moisture, the amount of sunlight, and the air humidity, and you can detect or you can predict when there's going to be some problem with pest infestation of a certain type, so you can put more pesticide or something like that on that, okay? And again, prevents overwatering, big thing for landscape systems, okay? Across all industries, this has importance, but here's where you show the detail of the data. For solar energy, it gives minute by minute angle of the sun, wavelengths, and intensity. For wind turbines, for instance, it gives the wind speed and direction at multiple heights above the ground. For agriculture, it gives the soil temperature and moisture for certain depths of the soil from the surface. So amazing quality. I just could not hardly believe it. It's really, really good. Okay. And then from the raw data, Caspio jumps in and gives you charts, analysis, and predictions and warnings when the weather changes. So overall, a great application, simple to install, and takes a great advantage of Visual Crossing as the company, their super data, and Caspio's connectivity and reporting expertise. So thanks very much.